Assalamu alaikum. I am Khizr. In this lecture series, I will tell you what is 5G technology. We will see what were the challenges we were facing before 5G, and we will also see what basically 5G is, what is the architecture of 5G, what is the slicing, what is slicing solution, what is air interface in 5G. Finally, we will look at 5G interface. Now start from the very first lecture. What is 5G? Before dive into the 5G, we should know what were the challenges we were facing before 5G. Very first challenge was a massive data. The world is connecting with each other. Like a few years ago, we will try to connect person to person. Then we move towards the connection of person to things. Then we move towards the connection of things to things. In this way, everything is connected with each other. For this, we need massive amount of data. Let me give you an example. Suppose you want to download a video which size is 8 gigabits, and if you download it on 3G network, which gives you a speed of up to 40 MB per second, you know how much time it will take to complete the download. It will take approximately 70 minutes to download, which will make you sleep. Means on 3G network with the speed of 14 MB per second, the 8 gigabyte video will take 70 minutes to download. Let's move towards the 4G network, which gives us a speed up to 150 MB per second. Still, it will take 7 minutes to download, but you cannot hold a cup of coffee for 7 minutes while you are downloading your file. Now, when we move towards the 5G network, it gives us a speed of 10 GB per second, which will only take 6 seconds to download 8 GB file. When you click on download, before going to your download folder, your file will be downloaded. This is what 5G giving us a massive amount of data. Now look at the second challenge, massive connection. As I already mentioned, in earlier system, our first priority was to connect person to person. Then as we move forward, or we can say as we come into the advancement, our priority was person should connect to the devices. But nowadays, we want our devices should connect to the devices. In the picture, you can see a person is connected to the person, and person is connected to the device. And on the road, you can see the device car, and another device car is connecting. Means device to device connection also available. Here's a picture of the 3G, 4G and 5G network. In 3G network, we have 100 per cells per square kilometer. But in 4G network, the number of cell increases. It goes to 1000 per cell per square kilometer. But in 5G, we have a massive amount of connection. We have 1 million per cell connection per square kilometer. Means we can connect each and everything in 5G technology. We have a massive connection. We have a large amount of connections. As you know, in the world of IoT, Internet of Things, everything is becoming a internet based. As everything becoming internet based, we need connection. You can see in 5G network, your shoes, your watch, your glasses, your handset, drones, each and everything is connected with each other. And what is the third challenge is diversification of scene. It's very important. It's all about the delay, or you can say latency. In 3G network we have a delay of 100 milliseconds, but as the technology 4G came, it improved it, but still its delay is 50 milliseconds. Let me give you an example. A car on a road moving with the speed of 100 km per second, 100 km per hour. Suppose the car is auto drivable and it receives an alarm of stop. But as we see in the previous slide, the delay in 4G network is 50 milliseconds. In 50 milliseconds, the car will cover 1.6 meters, which can be dangerous. Let's suppose a car receives an alarm that it must be stopped before forwarding 1 meter ago. We are forward because there is an hole. There is a hole on the road. If car moves 1.6 meters, definitely it will dive into the hole, which will be very dangerous. You can say, or you can see the different system latency in 3G, 4G and 5G and reaction in distance. In 3G network, if same car receive an alarm, but with the delay of 100 milliseconds, it will cover 333 centimeters. But in 4G network, with the delay of 50 milliseconds, it will cover 167 centimeter. But in 5G technology, with giving us a delay of only 1 millisecond, and car will just move forward only 3.3 centimeters. These were the challenges we were facing before 5G technology. In the next lecture, we will look at what basically 5G technology is, and after that we will go to advancement and see its architecture and other spectrum as well. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click on like button and share your precious views in comment box. Please subscribe to my channel and hit on bell icon. Thank you.